A terrifying landslide has left 9 people dead, including tourists, and injured 3 others. The incident happened in Himachal, India in the Pradesh's Kinnaur district, yesterday, as the victims were travelling from Chitkula to Sangla. According to officials, heavy rainfall triggered multiple landslides in the region and saw huge boulders fall on their vehicle. There were 11 people inside at the time of the accident, including the driver. Another person was on the road at the time and was also injured in the incident. Officials are now working to identify the deceased, who are reportedly not related. Video footage shows dozens of gigantic boulders crashing down the Sangla Valley and destroying the Batseri bridge, as onlookers shout and scream. The boulders completely crush everything in their path, caused significant damage to nearby houses and plantations. A number of parked vehicles can be seen to the left of the bridge, but they miraculously manage to avoid being hit by the large boulders. A separate clip shows a group of people working to rescue victims from the completely crushed vehicle which sits at the side of the road. The vehicle is so badly damaged that it was almost completely flattened into the road. Some of the rescue workers used stretchers to carry away the victims' bodies. The Kinnaur police are at the site and rescue operations are underway. Superintendent of Police, SP, Kinnaur, Sajaram Rana said, 9 people died and 3 were injured after boulders rolled downhill due to a landslide in Kinnaur district. Batseri bridge collapsed in the incident. A rescue team is present at the spot. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences to all those who lost their lives in the Kinnaur landslide. He tweeted, "All arrangements are being made to get the injured treated." Himachal Pradesh's Chief Minister Jairam Thakur told media outlets on Sunday that he has spoken to the Kinnaur district administration and inquired about the accident. He said, "The administration has started a rescue operation at the spot and immediate relief is being provided there." "I pray to God for a speedy recovery of the injured."